Hello. In today's tutorial, we will be discussing how to utilize Padlet within your classroom. We will be discussing the following goals. Number one, discuss what Padlet is and how to use it in your classroom. Number two, how to set up an account on Padlet. Number three, how to create and customize your Padlet. And number four, how to post and edit comments on your Padlet. Firstly, what is Padlet? Padlet is an online digital learning board that allows you to share your ideas with other people. Padlet can be used for classroom discussions, brainstorming, interactive tech troubleshooting. Also, Padlet is free, but will only allow a limited number of discussion boards to be created. Plan pricing is available if you're interested in posting more frequently. Now let's visit Padlet.com. After you've opened up the link in a new tab, select Sign Up for Free in the middle of the screen. If you had already made an account, you can simply hit Login in the upper left corner. There are a few options for signing up. You can use your Microsoft account, Google account, or Apple ID. If you are a teacher and will utilize this for class, I recommend using the same account each time. This keeps your Padlets organized and easy to recall. Since I've already created an account, I'm going to select the Gmail account that I've already associated with this Padlet. Once you've logged in, you'll end up on this landing page. Along the top of the page, you will see options to make a new Padlet, join a previously made Padlet, or you can also browse a gallery of Padlets that have already been made by other users. Along the left side of the page, you will see recent Padlets that you've created, ones you've shared, liked, etc. The archived options for Padlets are ones that you've previously made but are no longer active. This is especially important to keep in mind if you're using the free version of Padlet. You will only be allowed to make a few Padlets before it prompts you to pay for a membership. Now let's go ahead and make a Padlet. Click the Make a Padlet button on the top left corner of the screen. For this example, I'm going to make a Padlet to have students discuss their favorite festivals from around the world. Here you'll see the multiple types of Padlets that you can create. For classroom discussions, I recommend using the wall-style Padlet. Feel free to browse the other options, but for the purpose of this video, we'll only be focusing on this one. Hit Select. You will immediately be presented with the sidebar of options for this Padlet. Go ahead and change the name of the Padlet to fit its purpose. The description box is where you will include instructions for your students. If there is an icon that fits the discussion topic, this is where you will add it. If you want to make a unique address so your students can find this easier, this is where it would be. So I'm naming mine Festivals from Around the World if it hasn't already been taken. Padlet offers a lot of different options for wallpaper, color scheme, and font. Select the one that fits the theme of your discussion best. So for this one, let's go ahead and go with a map of the world. Perfect. All right, this posting section is very important if you're using it for a classroom discussion. Select whether you want to attribute each poster, how posts appear, whether or not comments are enabled. You can also have students react to other posts by enabling like, upvoting, etc. Remember, if you're using this for classroom discussion, you really need to make sure you enable the comment section so users can comment on my post and each other post as well. Lastly, you need to review content filtering options. If you think you will have some students posting inappropriate content, you can opt out to have profanity replaced or require that comments gain your approval. For older students, I wouldn't recommend this because it will delay the discussion process. Next, hit Next in the top right corner and hit Start Posting. If you're creating discussion prompts and want students to respond, click the plus sign in the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll be prompted to create a subject and also a description. In the middle here, you'll see options to upload documents, create a snapshot from your camera, add links, or images. Let's go ahead and add an image of festivals. Perfect. This will let the user know what the content is of the post prior to reading it. And then all you have to do is hit publish. Your comment will show here. There will be additional comments at the bottom. So let's say I were a student commenting on this. I would say, I love the, this is a perfect example. If for some reason you make a mistake, just hit edit comment. I love Dia de los Muertos because of the rich history. Hit update. You can now see my comment. If at any time you need to edit your comment, click the top 3 dots in the right corner. You can edit it, change the color scheme, transfer it. Copying posts are especially useful if you want different sections of the same class to respond to the same Padlet. You can also delete the post if you're not happy with it. You successfully created your first Padlet. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Have a great day.